This is Mama Mish, and today, in my magic kitchen, Birria Tacos. I don't know why Birria Tacos have become so popular recently. I mean, what took so long? Authentic Mexican food is generally off the chain. It is so fragrantly delicious, and I cannot sing its praises enough, probably because I have a mouthful of Birria Tacos. Birria is one of the most delicious ways to make a chuck roast. I love the Instapot and how it makes recipes like Birria take no time. It's not an all-day affair. As much as I enjoy cooking, I don't enjoy spending the whole day in the kitchen. Ain't nobody got time for that. Let Mama Mish make your kitchen magic, okay?
I can't wait to try this. This smells so amazing. Cheers. Oh yeah. Mouth gasm. Let's eat.